Riding Mixture Täglich Love Song. You came into my life like a sudden rain. Pinawi ang lungkot, tinanggal ang pain. At sa bawat ngiti na iyong ipinakita, I thought forever would be ours, ikaw at ako lamang talaga. Pero habang tumatagal, things started to change. Ang dating sweet na love became something strange. May saya, may luha, may galit at yakap. Pag-ibig nating dalawa parang pusong naliligaw sa ulap. Hindi ko alam kung saan tayo patungo, kung lalaban pa ba o bibitaw na ako. Kahit ang puso ko'y gustong manatili, may parte sa'kin na nagsasabing let me be. We're a mixture of love and pain, sunshine and thunder, pleasure and rain. You're my happiness, you're my tears. Ikaw ang pangarap ko, ikaw din ang fear. We're a mixture of wrong and right, holding each other through the darkest night. Kahit magulo, kahit complicated, I still love you, kahit we're broken and faded. May mga araw na ikaw ang aking mundo, pero may mga gabing parang wala na tayo. Your words can heal me, your words can hurt. Minsan ikaw ang blessing, minsan ikaw ang curse. We laugh together, then we fight again. Paulit-ulit na parang walang ending. But every time I try to walk away, my heart keeps whispering, please.
Love is a mixture, hindi simpleng formula. May sweetness at bitterness sa bawat eksena. Ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit ako lumalaban, pero ikaw din minsan ang dahilan ng kahinaan. Highs and lows, we got it all. Sometimes we rise, sometimes we fall. Pero kahit ilang beses tayong magbanggaan, puso ko sa'yo pa rin ang gustong sumugal at lumaban. Hindi perfect, hindi fairy tale. Sometimes our love almost feels like hell.
But if loving you's a crazy ride, I'll take the pain with you by my side. Maybe we're not perfect, maybe we're not the same. Every tear still carries your name. Kung ito man ay magulo, kung hindi man malinaw ang bukas, one thing I know inside my heart, mahal pa rin kita kahit mahirap. We're a mixture of love and pain, sunshine and thunder, pleasure and rain. You're my happiness, you're my tears. Ikaw ang minahal ko through all these years. We're a mixture of love and right, two broken hearts still trying to fight. At kung ang mundo'y muling maghiwalay sa atin, I'll always remember the love that once had been. Ocean of memories and dreams, of laughter and tears, of you and me. Maybe we're complicated, maybe we're not meant to stay, but in this mixture called love, you will always have a place.